A particle of mass m falls freely from a height h in air medium onto the ground. Air medium, yeah. If uv is the velocity with which it reaches the ground, the work done by the air friction means air drag, and work done by the gravitational force is work done by the air friction and work done by the gravitational force we need to find. Right. So in this case, a particle of mass m falls freely from a height h in air medium on the ground. So here how much the height has traveled? H height. If the uv is the velocity with which it reaches the ground, the work done by the air friction. Yeah, work done by the air friction and work done by the gravitational force. Yeah, first let's find the work done by the gravitational force. You tell me. Work done by gravitational force, which will be equal directly we can say na minus mgh. Yes or no? Gravitational force is a conservative force. And what else we need to do here? Work done by air friction. Air friction is a non-conservative force. Air friction is a non-conservative forces, and we need to find the work done. So how we can find this work done? By using work energy theorem. Now initially, so this is work done by the air friction. So here plus work done by the gravitational force. What is the work energy theorem? Work done by all forces equal to change in kinetic energy. So when the body is falling down, air friction pushes upward direction. Gravity pushes downward direction. So two work dones are done. One is a friction, air friction, the other one is a gravitational force. Work done by all forces equal to what? Tell me now. Change in kinetic energy. That is delta Ke. And so this is work done by air friction we need to calculate, and work done by gravity, that is minus mgh na, and which is equal to delta Ke. That is what? Tell me now here. Half m v square minus half m u square. They mention this is freely falling body, so initial velocity 0. So that is work done by the air friction, which will come to be what? Tell me now. Mgh plus what? Half mv square. This is the work done by the air friction.